What would you do if your beautiful date told you the earth was flat?
Laugh at her.
Laugh at her.
I don't think this is funny, actually. Like, we can laugh at it, but I don't think it's funny.
I'm starting to get worried. Flat Earther community seems to be growing.
Surprised at the number of friends I have that believe the earth is flat.
Bro, when you
I'm shocked.
And this is not just amongst Christians. This is a scientific community.
This stuff is really taking hold.
What percentage of the NFL believes in flat Earth, do you think?
Dude, honestly, there's at least 10 guys, 10 to 15 guys in every locker room, I would imagine.
That are the hardcore flat Earth.
I think if you took a truly anonymous poll, you're over 15% of an NFL locker room.
That's crazy. What?
I had to battle half my team thinking the Earth is flat this year.
I'm telling you.
Getting out of control. Can you please help it? Can you please help it?
A recent representative poll in North America found that 5% think the Earth is flat and another 6% aren't quite sure.
It goes up for young people, all the way to 34%.
Only 64% are convinced that the world is a ball. The world is a circle, that the world is a spheroid.
Unfortunately, that is not a made-up statistic.
How's this flat earth thing like catching steam?
There's no doubt that interest in flat Earth ideas has spiked.
What happened?
What happened?
Why are there so many flat earthers?
That's what blows a lot of people away. They can't believe how much traction this had.
Sometime in the middle of the 20th century or so, we reached a point where modern science just stopped being comprehensible to anyone without a special degree, and this is still the case.
YouTube recommends some pretty wild videos to people. They watch it, and it suggests even more extreme content. It's not just YouTube.
TikTok has now become a haven for flat earthers.
It's Twitter, it's Facebook, it's all of them.
The narrative is crumbling. People are finally waking up.
How do we solve that?
What are we to do?
I don't think you can duck them anymore.
I think it's a mistake to ignore flat earthers.
I think you have to get to the point where you're willing to have a debate with Kyrie Irving, the point guard for the freaking Nets. He went to Duke University.
The smartest guy on the team, Paul DeYoung, is a flat earther.
The awakening is starting to weave its threads with all the different players and all the different teams and all the different outlets. The unification and the awakening has caught tread now.
Actually seriously believe that the earth is flat. He still thinks the earth is flat.
I've seen a lot of things that that my educational system has said that was real and turned out to be completely fake. I mean, I don't mind going against the grain in terms of my thoughts and what I believe.
How did we get to this point to where people actually believe this?
They've got a long list of things that they've curated at this point, and they're not easy to answer.
They're all marched around us and they boxed us in the basketball court.
If you had 3 PhDs in astrophysics over here and you had 3 flat earthers next to them and they were doing a debate,
The flat earthers would win every single time. Every single time. The flat earthers would win every single time.
The reason why is because a small group of people who become very good debaters, they're so flashy and they make really good YouTube posts.
Or maybe we just have a stronger position. We're not, claiming pseudoscientific, unverifiable, crazy claims that can easily be debunked. That's why.
And not everybody can be a robot polisher.
All right, Sarah. We talked to 100 men. What would you do if your beautiful date told you the earth was flat?
I hope he'd agree with me.
Agree with her? I would.
Flat Earther community seems to be growing.
Surprised at the number of friends I have that believe the earth is flat.
Bro, when you
I'm shocked.
And this is not just amongst Christians. This is a scientific community.
This stuff is really taking hold.
What percentage of the NFL believes in flat Earth, do you think?
Dude, honestly, there's at least 10 guys, 10 to 15 guys in every locker room, I would imagine.
That are the hardcore flat Earth.
I think if you took a truly anonymous poll, you're over 15% of an NFL locker room.
That's crazy. What?
I had to battle half my team thinking the Earth is flat this year.
I'm telling you.
Getting out of control. Can you please help it? Can you please help it?